Next time this door ever freaking misbehaves, it's gonna be right out of the track. Cause see, it's bent right here because the rollers do that, and probably a car probably backed into the track. But I was able to close it. I'm only joking with my garage door. Of course, I would never pry you out of the track, but you better not fail again. Because I already had to fail you once. Alright, let's re-engage this. And now we're gonna push the button. See if it'll work. Oh! Shit, I accidentally stopped it. No way. Yep, I'm trying to fight this thing. Guess I'm just messing around with it. Alright, let's fight it back up again. That's what you get for misbehaving back last month. You get this. Alright, I shouldn't do it too hard. My garage door probably gonna damage. I don't want to damage my door. Yeah, let's watch it close from inside. No, I'm not using the intro for this video, by the way. Open it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do it too hard. My garage door. Let's close it. Look at that. It's already starting to... Oh, sweet. It's spent right there. Probably because the car's backing into this. Let's watch it go up one more time. It's probably going to turn off any minute now. Oh, I stopped it. Alright, let's shut it up and that'll be it. Yeah, I'm not using the intro for this video because I'm very tired. So please like and subscribe. Hope you all like this. Wasn't really gonna pry my door out of the track. It's just a joke, you guys. It's just a freaking joke with that thing.